Let me take you with me in my teeth whitening experience using Crest whitening strips. So if you want to see the whole process from A to Z and answer some frequently asked questions, stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Marta from Team Comfy Boost, and if you don't know about us yet, check out our channel and show your support by hitting the subscribe button below. So teeth are a common insecurity for many, and it is the same for me. So I decided to build up my confidence a bit by whitening my teeth, and I did it at home using Crest whitening strips for 10 days. So let's get straight to the process. I applied Crest 3D whitening strips for professional level whitening 10 days. In each of these packages are 2 strips for one-time use, one for your lower teeth and one for your upper teeth, as well as it comes with instructions on how to use them. But before we start whitening, it's actually very important to remember that these whitening strips will work only on natural teeth. So if you have some fillings or some additional work done to your teeth, they will not work on those. So be careful, because you don't want some random spots destroy your beautiful smile. It is recommended to not wash your teeth before applying strips. And as well, I have heard that it's better to put them on the morning, as in the evening your teeth might be more sensitive. Not sure if the second part is true, but I did put them on in the morning after waking up. Step 1. Open the foil pouch. The short strip goes on your lower teeth and the long strip on your upper teeth. Then peel the strips one by one and apply on your teeth. Apply them by your gum line, press gently and fold the extra part behind your teeth. This will secure the strips so they stay in place and don't peel off. Tip from me: you don't need to push this strip between your teeth, as with this reaction that happens there, it makes a lot of bubbles, so we'll get all around in all the necessary places. Then leave it for the recommended time. In my case it was 30 minutes, and then remove. If there is any whitening gel left on your teeth, clean it off. Here are my results with what I started and daily progress. You can really spot a big difference. Now let's move to the questions that interested me before I started the whole whitening process, and that might be interesting also for you. So question number 1. How does it feel? Actually, these strips have some plastic feel once applied, and once the reaction starts there's also a strange taste. But you get used to it, so it does not bother after a few days anymore. Another thing that I want to highlight: it made my lips dry every time I applied strips, so I always used moisturizer. Question number 2. Do these strips stay in the place? Yes, they do. And a big help is that these strips are very wide and can be folded behind your teeth. Next, will my teeth become sensitive? This is not the same for everyone, as I have heard some stories that some people are fine during the whole process. But then there are the other group of the people that comes across some sensitivity problems. And I was also the part of the second group, when after around 5 or 6 days my teeth were too sensitive. So I stopped using Crest strips for a while, but that's not the end of the game. And I also recommend you to stop when your teeth are becoming too sensitive. And then around a week later, I continued using them and finished my whole program. And that's the whole point here. You don't really need to do the whole package at once. Maybe you're happy after 6 days, already the result is the way you want. Or maybe you just want to maintain your result and you're having 1 strip every month, or you're just dividing the whole package into 2 parts. It all depends on you, but still remember, even those are made for home use, always check how your body is feeling. Don't push it too far. Now, question number 4. How long will stay the result? This is also different for each and every one of you. And I cannot tell you my results yet, as I'm using it for the first time together with you now. But I'm 100% sure that you can prolong the effect. with good mouth hygiene by washing your teeth regularly, using whitening toothpaste, as well as paying attention to your lifestyle, to what you are eating, what you are drinking, whether you're smoking or not. But predictions are that the effect should stay around 12 to 18 months. And last but not least, will it damage my teeth? I am not a professional, but I think they do, but the same as every other teeth whitening product does. For me personally, I believe that it's made for home use, so it's kind of safe. And it gives me what I need. It gives me this extra confidence, it gives me whiter teeth, it makes me happier. So I'm not really thinking about these chemicals that I put on my teeth, because also all these lotions, lipsticks, face balsams, anything else that you are putting on your body, it also has some chemicals, but we tend to see only the best out of it. So I do the same with these whitening strips, because as you saw, results are really big. Now I hope that I answered most of your questions, and if you still have some more, put them in the comment section below and I will come back to you. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below for more lifestyle and beauty tips and tricks. See you next week. Bye!